truck stop by my house, and let's turn the radio on. Turn the car on. Get a satellite. RC track. Waiting for a signal. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, signal. There you go. All right, here we go. Start tracking. All right, here we go. Let's hurry get this run going. We are in a KingVal 2845 5900 kV motor. Let's see what you can do. Oh, that thing's scooting. Doing pretty good. All right, let's check speed. Stop, read 58. Not bad. From 42 stock with a 3 cell on a stock motor. All right, see you guys tomorrow.